Hi, welcome to the Business Dashboard for Divinii 2.0. In this version, we've added a lot of features that weren't present before in version 1.0. Features that allow restaurant operators like you to engage with their customers on a more personal level, and the convenience to craft your own personal offerings on the fly, anytime you'd like, to the customers who are subscribed to your business. Yep, that's right. On Divinii, customers can subscribe to your business much like how they can subscribe to their favorite YouTube channels on YouTube, and they will be notified every time you send out a promotion. Studies have shown that the expenses to acquiring new customers can cost nearly 5 times more than marketing to your already established fan base. So we understand just how important it is to foster that relationship between you and your customers, and to retain that bond so the customers would feel confident returning to your restaurant again and again with newfound excitements. With that said, let's go over all the features we have in store for you with Divinii 2.0. Clicking on Business Info allows you to edit general information such as your business address, phone number, and hours of operation. You can also upload a picture here to be displayed on the restaurant listing. On the bottom, you can even add other social media platforms you are currently on, and they will also show up on your Divinii business page. Click on Update to save any changes, or click Cancel to head back to the main page. Clicking on About allows you to upload pictures or videos of your restaurant establishment. Below, you can write a brief history about your restaurant or a story you want to tell to your customers about the founding of your business. Clicking on Support allows you to access the FAQ or frequently asked questions, or you can chat with our staffs at Divinii in real time to resolve any problems you may have quickly. Clicking on Gift to You allows you to upload a picture of your gift offering. You can give your gift a name and write a short message to accompany your gift. This gifting concept is what makes Divinii unique among other restaurant aggregators. By offering your customers a little something unique to munch on, you are demonstrating a gesture of hospitality. This gesture makes your customers feel welcomed and makes them feel special. You're inviting them into your restaurant for a special experience with your own personal gift. Clicking on Restaurant Menu allows you to create your own digital menu on Divinii. In this example, the restaurant menu has 3 different categories: appetizer, entree, and drinks. You can scroll down and click plus new category to add a new category. If we click on entree, it will show only items that are listed under entree. You can add new items by clicking plus new item. Here you can upload a picture of the item, fill in the name, price, and a description. Let's head back to the main page. Alright, this promotions feature enables you to build a loyal following while also keeping your subscribers up to date on your latest products and offerings. It allows you to create and launch your own promotional campaign anytime you like in just under 5 minutes. Step 1. You can choose from an existing template or create your own customized layout for your promotion. Click Next to head to the next step. Step 2. Write your campaign message, upload additional pictures, and specify the start and end date for a campaign. Step 3. You can choose which subscribers you want to send your offer to. For example, you can send a personal deal to subscribers whose birthday or anniversary is in the month of July. If your subscribers haven't visited your restaurant in a while, send them a comeback offer. If your subscribers have been eating at your restaurant on a daily basis, send them a super special offer to thank them for their patronage. Step 4. This is the preview of your promotional campaign. Choose the time and date when you want your campaign to launch, or you can launch your campaign immediately. Then click Confirm to launch. The forum serves as a hub created exclusively for our restaurant partners to come together to chat, rant, share ideas, and business advices. Running a restaurant can be a lonely endeavor, especially when you're just starting out. And that's what these forums are for new restaurant operators to seek advices from other restaurant business veterans. The forums are categorized by different cuisines and are represented by their national flags. Our goal for the forums is to establish a community among restaurant operators, which is seriously lacking in today's restaurant aggregating platforms. Every restaurant's business page has a chat room where customers can join to chat with one another. Restaurant operators are encouraged to join and bond with their customers or to answer any concerns your customers may have. In this fast-paced world, it is so important for you to be able to respond to your customers quickly before they turn to leave for your competitors. Clicking on the megaphone allows you to write a welcome message whereby every visitor entering the chat room is greeted with. You can use this opportunity to write an offering where customers who aren't subscribed to your business can also benefit from. At Divinii, we don't believe the rating system that Yelp has in place serves a purpose in the restaurant industry. Some customers complain about the silliest things. Other customers' complaints lack merit and are outright absurd and outrageous. All in all, a low rating can be very detrimental to a business. That's not to say that the rating system is by default a bad design. If I'm to buy an expensive computer, of course I would like to know its pros and cons before I spend my hard-earned money. But when it comes to food, everyone has a different preference and taste. With Yelp, TripAdvisor, or Google Review, all of a sudden, everyone is a self-proclaimed food critic. According to a study by Pew Research Center in 2016, 82% of American adults read online reviews before making new purchases. That means 8 out of 10 people will visit your Yelp page first before visiting your restaurant. If your business is already suffering from a low rating, it will be difficult to entice any new customers to even consider your business. Our goal at Divinii is to help the restaurant industry gradually shift away from the flaw in that system and to even the playing field for all restaurant businesses. That's why we created the Mailbox feature to allow customers to directly message restaurant operators on what they can improve upon. Clicking on Mailbox allows you to read your customers' feedback. Yellow happy faces denote complimentary messages. Red sad faces indicate constructive feedback. Although time-consuming, it is crucial to make an effort to respond to your customers, whether they are negative feedback or positive feedback. It is important to respond to negative feedback because the last thing you want is to have your customers take their complaints to social media platforms to tarnish your business's reputation. It is equally important to thank your customers for their positive feedback. This is one of the first steps to fostering your relationship with their customers. to let them know that their voices are heard. Featured Gift is an advertising feature that allows you to showcase your gift on the front page of Divinii. Clicking on Featured Gift allows you to set a budget on how much you would like to spend on advertising. Clicking on Payment option allows you to view your payment history as well as changing your payment method. Clicking on Analytics allows you to gain insight into the plethora of metrics of your business. On this page, you can see the number of gifts redeemed since you've joined Divinii and the number of subscribers you currently have. Clicking on Demographics will show you the breakdown of demographics by age and gender. Clicking on Overview will show you the number of gifts redeemed for each day of the month. The stars beneath the numbers indicate the days you featured your gifts on the front page of Divinii. You can click on the calendar to compare performance to the previous months. On the right side, you'll be able to see the changes in subscriber count for the past 48 hours. Clicking on Featured will show you the number of clicks, the redemption rate, and the cost for when you feature a gift on the front page of Divinii. Clicking on Mailbox allows you to see the number of positive and constructive feedback you get from customers on a daily basis. You can click on the calendar to see the metric for the previous months. Clicking on Promotions will show you the number of clicks and open rate for the marketing campaigns you had launched. You can click on the calendar to compare performance to the previous months. And lastly, clicking on Chat Room allows you to see the number of visitors entering your chat room on a daily basis and the number of visitors in the past 24 hours. You can click on the calendar to compare performance to the previous months. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you find all the features we have to offer at Divinii a turnkey solution to building and managing your own customer base and promotional offers. Our goal is to soft launch the platform sometime later this year. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we might have to delay it to ensure the safety of our restaurant partners and our users. Until then, be sure to share this video and sign up for beta testing before we hit the limit on our beta testers. See you next time!